Ooh. Close. Very close.
GPS connected.
Ooh. Sorry guys, this is a stressful one. Close my garage. Open my windows. I got a ticket the other day going 91 and a 45, so I've been taking it a little easy since then, but here we go. There's usually a state trooper that sits right here on the left. That's why you gotta be a little careful. Right up there. Loud. Bro, this is the one car I've ever owned, and trust me, I've had like a number of cars that are pretty like tuned out, pretty aggressive. This is the one car I've ever owned where you can get finished driving this thing, or you can just like even pull up to a stoplight or anything, and you can smell like the most strong smell of gas that you've ever smelled coming out of a car. Like it smells like there's gas like leaking out of the car. It's because obviously you can hear it. It's like pouring gas out of the back to make it pop like that. But yeah, it's just crazy. I've never had a car like this before where it's just like, it's basically leaking out gas. It's so fucking loud. Now welcome to Tampa traffic. Let's see if we can get out of here. Let's see if I can get through on the side streets.
Front K-band.
traffic cams in Tampa now. I didn't even realize it. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's so much development in Tampa right now. It's crazy. That's kind of why I bought a house out here, or a couple houses out here. I mean, I'm looking to get a lot more into real estate. And I think there's nothing like community roots in the space of like real estate. Like knowing the area you're from, understanding the market, and just knowing the people in the area. Like I don't know how long I plan to stay in Tampa. I mean, obviously longer than I've lived other places, because like I'm kind of locked in here. I bought a nice house out here, and then I bought a couple other houses that I'm flipping, Airbnb-ing, kind of messing around, just like learning more about like the process of rehabbing houses. But yeah, there's a lot to it. Gotta get these guys out of here. So this is such a nice area. I don't know if you guys can see, but all these houses, there's a ton of new construction, a ton of like kind of more traditional houses here as well. My radar detector is going crazy. But yeah, I love the houses out here. I could see myself buying a house in this area, in like kind of more of like the South Tampa area over the next few years. Just nice calm neighborhoods. This is like a main street, but it's still in a nice area. There's this row of houses right up here. I'm gonna show you guys. Super nice, super like modern, and it's obviously like a development or something, but just look at that. There's a bunch of them right there. There's a cop, maybe, or I don't know what. I always think it's cops when it's like those Chargers that look like undercover, or Challengers. Getting close. Going to a coffee shop to meet up with my girlfriend. Let's see. I always have these guys, if you can see my rear view mirror. It's like these fucking like random BMWs and like Audis and stuff that want to race me, bro. I will never be in some like residential street like pawning around racing someone. Like, I think it's like so childish. Trust me, I love going fast and doing all that shit as much as the next guy, but I'm also safe. Let's see. Looks like my girlfriend's car. That is not my girlfriend though. Thank goodness. I feel like such a tool sometimes, like driving into these coffee shops and stuff. The Ferrari, it's just like something about like that. Like, oh, I'm better than you, but I don't know. Certainly not a parking spot, but today it is. And there it is, guys. Driving to the coffee shop. Ferrari 488 GTB. And like that, coffee secured.